Good morning, Mr. or Mrs. Lecturer. Today we will present about project My Proposal Team by title is The Influence of Private Label on Brand Awareness and Brand Image of Hypermart and Carrefour Consumer in Malang. First, let me introduce my group member. My name is Alfredo.
My name is Adam Wisnu.
My name is Agung Septian.
My name is Aisyah Sabila.
My name is Ado Padre Ganiang.
At this time, retail development is growing rapidly. Several retail businesses have started to present such a mini-market retail business, supermarket, and even hypermarket that have spread throughout Indonesia. According to data reported by economy.business.com, modern retail sales had reached 6.6% during the period of April 2018 until April 2019. Growth in mini market has increased by 12.1%. However, supermarket experienced negative growth minus 6.8%. Therefore, the retail business competition in mini market, supermarket, and hypermarkets continues to increase. Next. Various strategies have been implemented by retail business in supermarket or hypermarket to remain competitive with the mini market retail business, which has experienced increase. So, the retail companies, especially in hypermarket and supermarket, not only as a place to sell various kind of product from the other brand. However, currently supermarket or hypermarket are trying to build their excellence by using private label brand. In this study, there are two large retail companies, namely Hypermart and Carrefour. Both the retail companies have started to sell the product with their brand packaging because the company already has a good image in the community. However, Indonesia is among the lowest countries that consume private label brand products. Therefore, it is necessary to develop a private label brand in innovation and maintenance so that the other brands that are created can be successful. This study will determine the effect of private label brand on brand awareness and brand image. We use the structural equation modeling or SAM method. Structural equation modeling or SAM can accommodate all related variables, namely brand image and brand awareness.
Formulation of the problem. Based on the existing background, many retail companies are competing, so an innovation is needed, namely a private label brand. But people still don't know much about private label brand product. Therefore, a survey on brand awareness and brand image of private label brand is needed in order to know the coverage of public knowledge. The purpose of this proposal is, first, measuring how much influence private label has on brand awareness of Hypermart and Carrefour consumer in Malang. The second, find out what products are more famous by looking at the aspect of brand, price, and quality. The benefit of this proposal is, first, knowing the effect of private label on brand awareness of a product. The second, knowing the effect of private label on the product brand image.
Literature review about retail. According to Kotler, retail is a company that carries out business activity both in selling goods or service directly to end consumers for personal user and not for business. So that products are sold in large quantities but will reach the final consumer in small quantities. And then about private label, according to AC Nielsen, private label is a brand that is sold under the brand name, which is the owner and is promoted by retailers. In this day and age, private label products are not included as low cost product, but as alternative product of competitive quality. And at affordable prices. Next, private label strategy. According to Chen, the strategy that retail companies should take in developing private label are product, quality, selling price, presentation, promotion, and package. About brand image, according to Ciptono, brand image is a perception owned by consumers in a certain belief and trust in a particular product brand. So the company will continue to develop its brand image so that the company name can continue to be known. And then about brand awareness, according to Drianto, brand awareness is an awareness from prospective buyer to analyze and remember the brand of a product provided by a certain party. Next, about validity and reliability. According to Vidya Stuti, validity means a method used to measure accuracy in making measurement. And then, according to Ismarianti, reliability is a measurement method to find out how reliable the measurement results are. Next, about structural equation modeling or SEM. Or according to Prastuti, structural equation modeling is a technique used for statistical analysis to build and test statistical models.
Yes, and the last literature review in case study, here we ask the t-test which function to test the effect of the variable hypothesis. According to Sugiono 2007, pirate sample test t-test is a method used to test comparative hypothesis so that we can find out whether there are differences between these variables so that we can find out significant or not. And in case study, T hit big from T table reject H0 and T hit smaller than T table except H0.
Yeah, research methodology. We start from initial observation. We do observations toward Hypermart and Carrefour to find information related to private label brands owned by those retail companies. Then identify the problems. There are several problems, such as the number of retail companies which were developing in Malang. Then many people don't know the existence of private label product and the effect of the product brands and brand image on private label. I mean. The next step is the determination of research objectives. The purpose of the study is aims to help solve some of the problems that occur in research. The objective of the study are the first one is measuring how much influence private label has on brand awareness of Hypermart and Carrefour consumers in Malang. And the last is find out what products are more famous by looking at the aspect of brand, price, and quality. We jump to the next step is the literature study. This research is based on books and journals as relevant literature to private label brands, as well as several other methods such as validity and reliability testing, the structural equation model or SEM method, and sample t-test testing. Next slide. Data collection. In this part, collect the questionnaires that has been distributed before related to private label brands, product brands, and brand image. The survey was conducted on customers from those retail companies. When complete the collections, the results of the survey will be tested for validity and reliability to determine whether the survey data is valid or reliable. the data processing and result analysis. There are 5 main points. The first point is make score analysis as a range for assessment of private label, brand awareness, and brand image. Then classifying variables using structural equation modeling or SEM. Then creating structural equation modeling charts to help the software to determine the effect. And the fourth, testing the result of SEM graph using the sample t-test method. And the last one is analyzing the level of influence of private label on brand awareness and brand image of each retail company. The last part is the conclusion and suggestions. The results from data processing and analysis obtained can provide conclusion and suggestion on the level of influence of private label on brand awareness and brand image of these retail companies.
After research methodology, we do research schedule from January 2021 to June 2021. First we do initial observation and collection data in January 2021, and next identify the problem. We do January 2021. After that, formulate the problem. We do January 2021. And then setting research objective, we do in January 2021. And then carry out a literature study, we do January 2021. And collection data, we do February 2021 to May 2021. And then processing data and analyze data, we do February 2021 to May 2021. And last, we do make a report from this study February 2021 to June 2021. At least but not least, thank you for my group team in make this video. I hope enjoy this video. Thank you very much.